Hey, 1305, step up traffic on 423. I hear fighting inside. I hear people screaming. 10-4, step it up. 35, 10-4.
415 will put you on scene. 413 scene.
We're gonna try to find just a maze up here.
What the fuck? He was on the hole with me.
You mean to a place right now?
I can't fix it.
Responding units, when you get off the elevator on the third floor,
Quiet.
go to your left.
You won't do.
The keys usually work.
Hey, get to Howard Irons and bring them up.
It's tough down here.
That's not big, yeah.
Down there, right. No apartments anyway.
Right. Come off the elevator, to the floor, right, and then first right.
Oh, that's a gun. That's a gunshot.
Money units, if you're still up traffic. 10-4. 0808.
Police department!
Police department! Put it down! Put it down! Put it down! Put it down!
What the fuck? Don't kill him, please don't kill him, don't kill him. He's paranoid and he's delusional. We got some psychotic brain. Please don't kill him.
got company. Please out. Help! Hey, fire!
Fire! Come in!
I'm bleeding. I got stabbed.
I got shot in the arm.
Right here. Take me here, Bishop.
I'm so
You shot Lauren?
I'm shot in the arm. It really hurt. I don't know what to do. I'm so
Hey,
scared.
okay. Is he dead?
It hurts so bad.
It looks good. It looks good. Did they shoot him? Hey, is he cuffed? He's cuffing him right now. Okay. Okay. It looks good. It looks really good. That's good.
She's cuffed.
Okay. You good, bud? Are you good?
Yeah.
You shoot it?
I shot him.
Is he
You
dead?
dead? Okay. Good. Okay. Come on. You good, bud? You okay?
I'm good.
All right, I'm coming back.
Hey, he's breathing.
You all right, buddy?
Yeah, he's
You ain't
breathing.
getting nowhere, nothing?
He's breathing.
Is he breathing?
He's breathing. It's labored though.
In the chest? Where did he get shot at? Do you know? Yeah, right there. Give me that. Pull him down. Pull him down. I'm gonna seal this up. We're going to roll him over, right? Are you okay? You didn't get hit? Are you sure? Are you sure?
Yep, I'm sure. Come on, man, stick.
Okay, take that out. Okay, didn't come out. Didn't come out. All right, let's roll him back down. Is he breathing still? All right, I gotta get some more stuff, all right? Okay. Gunshot to the chest. I got it sealed. I won't breathe for him. That's all I can do.
I like that 3 GSW.
Hey. He gets shot. No, your partner.
He got stabbed.
He's stabbed.
You're good?
He's stabbed.
Okay.
We came in.
Did he shoot the female?
We came in. I think he shot her when we were forcing entry.
Yeah, we heard that.
When we came in, he was hiding behind the dresser. He threw the gun to the side, but he had a knife. We were trying to go hands-on,
Right.
but
I heard you.
he charged my partner with a knife.
I heard
And
you.
he got his face on fire.
The channel is closed.
You okay?
Yeah.
You sure?
Can you check me?
36 to Parkman on scene at Tremont Avenue. We're approximately 5 minutes out.
You don't feel nothing?
No.
Somebody open the lobby door.
What's it?
One CMC officer with
Well, yeah, but it might be somebody else.
It might be him.
I think you're good. I think you're good.
Thank you.
Steve goes out moved to the left arm and one other GSW.
Portable one.
Go ahead.
Pretty sure this is fatality in here.
So just watch your. Just be careful stepping back. Hold the knife and go.
That's yours? Whose gun's over here?
That's not mine. Mine's in my holster.
Yeah. Whose is that?
He's got two, I guess.
Okay.
We were fighting over this one. I don't know.
I'll say I seen
You got a possible fatality.
check him, just double check. I'm pretty sure he's
Just careful.
center chest. It didn't come out of the back.
Well, then we'll get.
I mean, he's. I've checked radio and carotid.
Okay. That's fine. These two out here, we're gonna get them. They'll be our priority if you think he's.
I don't feel nothing. What?
Okay. Well, Max,
I sealed the chest, and I was gonna. He was agonally breathing when I come in here.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah. All right. He's good.
So I got 94 in the corner, 94 under the bed.
Okay. Do you mind checking carotid for me? Just again, radio and carotid.
Yes, sir. We're pulling up behind your engine right now. Are you still at a perfect 60? Come in the entrance. Go to the
I
left.
sealed the cap. I rolled him over. No exit.
Double doors
He was
on the
agonally
elevator
breathing.
on your right.
Where's the
Go up the elevator to the fifth.
chest?
Yeah, center chest.
Get off the
Nothing on the
elevator,
back.
turn left.
He was agonally
Go to
breathing.
the hallway on your left. Take that hallway. Lobby down. The next hallway on the left.
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah, keep going.
Everyone just do shoulder shot.
Yeah, I'll check everything out. I'll check.
Automatic do it anyway.
Oh,
Oh,
sure.
yeah, okay.
You
I got a faint pulse.
think?
Let me see. I got a pulse. It might have been my heartbeat. I just sort of ran.
Let's switch it out. So you got since he shot.
Okay, it might have been mine. Hell. I got nothing on me.
I don't know. Staying here with him. Hey, Hank. You stay on board?
I'll see you later.
I'm just rolling something. Yeah.
Good.
Can I get one in a room, one in each room?
Michael did.
Gotta hold it down, cover this wide.
You okay?
Yeah.
Can you stay with him?
My idea was
You let him know.
traffic.
What's your name?
Come on, I lost it. I got
Medical gloves.
it. You got your camera on? Yeah, I was gonna go turn it. I got you.
We're so confident in the capability of our SUVs and the performance of our sedans that we